Mass and energy are both but different manifestations of the same thing. E is equal to product of mass and square of the velocity of light. It shows that very small amount of mass may be converted into very large amount of energy and vice versa. Now Einstein developed his mass energy relation in his special theory of relativity, which is based on two postulates. Number one, the relativity postulate, and secondly, the speed of light postulate. The relativity postulate states that the laws of physics are the same in every inertial frame of reference, and the speed of light postulate states that the speed of light in a vacuum measured in any inertial frame of reference always has the same value of c, no matter how fast the source of light and the observer are moving relative to each other. Now the figure v over c, that is the ratio of the speed of a moving object to the speed of light in a vacuum, is what determines how great the effects of special relativity are. The modifications imposed by special theory do not imply that the classical concepts of time, length, momentum, kinetic energy, and the addition of velocities as developed by Newton and others are wrong. They are just limited to speeds that are very small compared to the speed of light. In contrast, the relativistic view of the concept applies to all speeds between 0 and the speed of light. Thank you for watching.